Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for coming back and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Get subscribing. So guys, today's recipe is very simple. I will be showing you how I make my version of chili beef. Guys, the sauce on this chili beef has this sweet, gingery yet mild spice to it. It's very simple to make and it will make you ditch your local takeaway. Come on guys, come along and let's get started. For the chili beef recipe, I have the following ingredients. I have some very fine, thinly sliced steak. When a meat is thinly sliced, it cooks a lot quicker. I also have some ginger, garlic, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, carrot, and spring onions. I also have some water, egg, chili oil, corn flour, some oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, onion granules, sesame oil, beef seasoning, garlic granules, and black pepper. I will list everything in the description below. First things first, I'm going to season the beef and I'll set this aside. I'm using garlic granules, onion granules, black pepper, beef seasoning, sesame oil, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, egg, and corn flour. I'll mix everything together and set this aside and allow the beef to marinate for 5 minutes. The egg will help bind the corn flour and the seasoning together. Now I'm going to make the sauce for the chili beef. In the water, I am adding light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and corn flour. The corn flour will help thicken the sauce. Normally, I will add sugar to this. However, I'm trying to cut down on sugar, so I decided not to. Adding sugar will help balance out the saltiness from the oyster sauce and the light soy sauce. So feel free to add sugar if you prefer. Now I'm going to chop all the vegetables and I'll set this aside for later use. Next, I will grate the ginger and the garlic and I will also set them aside for later use. Now time to fry the beef. I am adding enough oil to my wok and I'll allow the oil to come to heat before I add the beef. Once the oil is hot, I'm now adding the beef. I will spread this evenly and allow each side to brown for 5 to 8 minutes on medium to high heat. As the beef is now brown, I am now removing it from the oil and I'll set it aside for later use. To the remaining oil, I'm now adding the chopped onions, grated ginger and grated garlic. I'll fry this on medium heat until it is nice and fragrant. As I want some crunchiness to my onions, I'm only going to allow the onions to saute for about 1 minute. If you like your onions softer, feel free to fry until the onions are translucent. Now I am adding the carrot and I'm going to allow the carrot to saute for about 1 minute, as the carrots are a lot harder than the rest of the vegetables. Now I'm adding the remaining vegetables and saute it for an additional 1 minute. Now time to add the sauce. Guys, I completely forgot to mix the sauce again before pouring it in my wok. As you can see, the corn flour has settled to the bottom. Don't forget to stir your sauce before adding it in your wok or pan. I'm just going to allow the sauce to simmer for about 1 minute before I add the beef. Now I'm going to add the beef. I'll mix everything together and next I will be adding the chili oil. In goes the chili oil. I'm going to mix everything together and guys, the chili beef is ready. This smells so good. It smells so good. I could not wait to dig in. And just like that, the chili beef is ready. This is just one of the simplest dishes you can make during the week if you don't have time, and it's just perfect with rice or noodles. Guys, you have to try it and please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you once again for joining me in my kitchen. I really do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon. And I will see you next time. Bye.